This is a review of one of the best hand warmers that you can get off of Amazon. Now, this is not a paid review, meaning a lot of companies will send me products for me to review on my YouTube channel. This is one that I'm voluntarily doing for Karacel just because it's such a good product and I've been so happy with it. So the Karacel is about 23 to 25 bucks on Amazon. If you look at the reviews, that you see that they got about 5,000 positive reviews, which is quite substantial. The good thing about the Karacel is it's got two functions. It'll warm your hands, but it will also charge your phone, which is pretty convenient. So if you've got an iPhone or an Android or whatever you have, it's got like a little USB port here. So you just pretty much plug in your phone and it will charge your phone at the very same time, which is pretty darn cool. And it's very simple to use. It takes about 40 minutes to do a complete charge, but once you get it completely charged, it'll last for a good 3 to 4 hours. Only thing you do is to turn it on, you just hold down the button, and I got full power here because it's got 3 lights, and the indicator will be 1 light once you need to recharge it. The good thing about the Karacel is that it's dual-sided, so it'll heat on the back and the front at the same time. It's got 3 different levels, so you can do just a real light warm, and then if you hit it on get number 2 light, that's a real comfortable warm to hot temperature. And number 3, which I never use, is an extremely hot temperature. It includes this little cloth pouch that technically you're supposed to keep that in there as you're warming, but you could still use it in just like this as well. I like it just because it's very ergodynamic. As you can see, it fits in the hand really well, and it's kind of soothing just to have it in your hand. So if you're in the wintertime or whatever and you need something just to feel comfortable, this is definitely a good purchase to get. It comes in several different colors. As you can see here, you got black, it comes in pink, white, and baby blue. And this is definitely a good thing for you to get like for Christmas or as a stocking stuffer or someone's birthday. You know, it's good for children, boys and girls, women and men. I mean, you can't really go wrong with this, especially if you live in the north and you're in colder climates. We're approaching wintertime. This is the perfect gift to give. And I give the Karacel hand warmer / phone charger a 10 out of 10. All right, appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe.